Hey, Miss Yo-Yo is back. I'm taking you on a mystery tour. We're going to look at some 2023 planners, all affordable, all under $12.99 or less. And y'all guess where I'm at. Enjoy the video, and please don't leave the video till it comes to a complete stop. And I'll be back at the end and say my bye-bye. Okay, here's your first clue. I ain't been here this year. That's the first clue, okay? Now, you can work with that. Leave a comment below if you can guess where I'm at. But I'll be back with more clues throughout the video. I hope everybody had a great holiday. Well, Miss Yo-Yo, she's back doing what she does. She took a little break there, but here she is bringing you some new planners. Some of these did start in August, but they run until December of 2023. So you're getting like 17-month planners, and some you're getting 12-month planners. Now we got a variety of different layouts here we're going to show you. We got monthly planners, we got weekly planners, we got it all. And don't forget, leave your comment below if you know. Okay, this planner right here was one of my favorites. It's a hardbound planner. It started in August, but I thought this was an adorable planner. You might be able to find this planner maybe at, I'm going to say Barnes & Noble. This ain't Barnes & Noble, okay? You may be able to find it at Barnes & Noble because this is a brand I know they carry. But here, you're going to find it much cheaper. This is where your affordable planners can be found. You know where I'm at? Come on now. It's all good. If you find any of my videos helpful in your planner search, please leave a comment below. Also leave a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, turn on the all notification so you don't miss me next time. Now this planner, I will say you might be able to find it. I'm not giving you the name. You might be able to find it at TJ Maxx. That's just the facts. Now, if you're still in search of a planner for next year, feel free to check out the playlist. I've got Walmart, I got Target, I got Joann's, I got Hobby Lobby, and I got what? Michael's. Now, let me just tell you, I come to this store for other things. I do like the planners here. I like the variety of different layouts they have here. Affordability planners you can always find here. But the thing I mainly come here for is more home decor. Think about that. Now, you're still looking for that 2023 planner? Well, Ms. Yo-Yo has settled on 2 planners for next year, both of them Dashboard Happy Planner, one for my media planner, one for my catch-all planner. And then, of course, I am going to be using my carry-all planner that I carry with me is going to be my half letter. I'm just going to get a new filler for that, which I already got that on Amazon, the filler for that. But tell me where you stand on your planner search for next year. Now here we go. This is a cute little monthly planner. If you're just looking for a monthly planner that you can throw in your bag, lightweight, this is it. 12-month planner. This cute little planner right here, $4.99. You cannot go wrong. Miss Yo-Yo's gonna always tell you where the bargains are at, okay? Now, here's a couple of Rae covers here. They all have the same layout. So I just wanted to show you the covers, and then I'm only gonna do a flip through of one of the Rae planners here, which I love the texture of this planner right here. Enjoy, and I'll tell where we are at the end, okay? Have you guessed yet? Have you guessed yet? Let me tell you right now, I want to tell y'all so bad because like my mama said, what I told y'all my mama said, okay? You can't hold ice water. I am so want to tell y'all, but I know y'all going to guess it, okay? I've been here before. Let me just tell you, I've not been here this year. That is a clue. I've not been here this year, but it's always a good time, okay? It's always a good time in this house. Now I picked up a couple of planners, took them over to on top of these boxes, and I'm gonna videotape them. I got like 3 to the left of me here. Some lady walks up, she picks up a planner off my stack while I'm standing there videotaping with a camera, and she just proceeds to start flipping through it, and she proceeds to put it in her cart and push it on down the aisle. Now I'm videotaping. I didn't want to yell out while I was videotaping, but I'm like, really? So I just went back over there, got the same planner again, and videotaped this one, okay? Seriously, that ain't a planner girl, because a planner girl wouldn't be that bold, okay? She must be just trying to find a planner, but she ain't really into planners like we are. Have you figured it out? Have you figured it out? Now I will tell you, the one in Palm Beach, this store that's in Palm Beach, I love it because it's attached to 2 other sister stores. So they got 3 stores in one in the store in Palm Beach. My friends took me there. I was like, oh no, it took up like half the plaza, okay? We walked from one store to another store inside the building. Is this not cool? This store sells Kate Spade planners and Ray Dunn planners. Think about it. Hey, it's Home Goods, girls. Oh, child, yes. Home Goods got affordable planner. You better get over there and check it out. You better call somebody. Now, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit that thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed, turn on that subscribe button and hit the all notification. Now, if you want to see more videos like this, check out the playlist over here. Now, the disclaimer for today ain't no disclaimer. I hope you enjoyed the video, and a girl